Hello friend, this is Naqib from Best Spicy Recipes. Today I want to make chicken kebab. This chicken kebab we will make it coil. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel, like, comment, share our videos.
So friends, in this recipe, the ingredients which I will use: chicken, half kilo, potatoes, black pepper, salt, garam masala, fig powder, cumin, and chicken special masala. Now we will mix all the masalas with each other. It's up to you that how much spicy you want to eat this chicken kebab. You can add more masalas if you want, if you like to eat spicy foods. Salt. You can add more salt as required. Garam masala. Fig powder. The fig powder will soften the chicken in less time. Cumin, black pepper, and chicken special masala. Now we are going to mix the masala. On the chicken. First take the chicken and cut it in some parts. Both sides of chicken. Now according to your taste, add masala as much as you want. So we will cover it now in at least for 10 minutes. And add it on the potato. And take it and do it just like this. So friends, potato also done. After 5 minutes, we will cover the potato and the chicken in aluminum foil. Take a piece of chicken and put it right there. Now roll it. You can see friends how I covered the chicken with aluminum foil. Do the same to all pieces of chicken. Another piece of chicken. Now it's time to cover the potato. You can take two. Okay friends, so cover all the chicken and potatoes, and just like I did, I have covered all the chicken and potato. Now I will put the chicken and potato in coil. So I have used the iron tray for the safety. This coil I will use the coil for the cooking of chicken. So first, as you can see, we have coils. Now I want to put the chicken and potato in the coil. So on the heat of coil, the chicken and potato will cook. So here is the chicken and potato. Now just like this, put the chicken and potato in the coil. So on the heat of coil, it will get cooked. At least for 30 minutes or 40 minutes, we have to keep the chicken and potato in the coil. Okay friends, after 40 minutes, now we are going to take out the chicken and potatoes from the coil. Taste is very good. It's very tasty. We have cooked our chicken and potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this video and this recipe. If you like this recipe, this video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment our videos. Thank you for watching.